Hi, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you just a very fun flower to paint. Paint it on any surface, depending on the type of paint that you're using. I would recommend Folk Art Enamels, or the multi-surface is what I use. I will list all the items that I use in this video down below the video, as well as within the video. If you have any questions, comments, please place those down below. I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. And in this video I will also be playing a light sound bath in the background, so all I ask is for you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's go ahead and get started. I am going to begin with a 3/4 inch Scruffy brush. It's a Folk Art one-stroke brush, and I'm just going to go into the yellow, tap it, and then create my centers. And for some reason, when I created my last video, the design did not wash completely off, so I apologize if you're seeing the remnants of what was once below, or what is below, or used to be below. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use, not a big fan of these brushes, but I'm going to go ahead and try the 16, and it's a Transon brush, a round brush, and just sticking in the brush, getting it full of paint, and then I'm going to tip it to the one that's next to it, and then I'm just going to push and pull towards the center. If you feel the need to reload your brush as you're going, feel free to do so. And here we go. So I'm just going to do these as partial petals around it, not completely around. If you want to do it with the petals completely around, feel free to do so. I'm just looking at these as being happy looking flowers, something fun to paint. It's very simple. Anyone can do it. At least I think anyone can do it. And then what I'm going to do is go back in, get my Scruffy brush, and then come back in here, fill in the centers so that the petals meet the flower. I'm going to get myself a little bit more yellow paint. You can round out the centers if you want, or keep them initially how I had them. I just like to start out with putting my centers out, and then I can judge my flowers based on that. But this did pull in a little bit of the color from the petals below, which I kind of like. So I'm just going to come back in here and maybe tap in a little bit. You could use an alternate color if you wanted. Maybe just come in here and soften it up a little bit. Alright. That brush didn't do too bad. Was a little surprised. Had some issues with some of the other ones that I tried to use. Alright, so then I'm going to go into my greens. I just have a couple little different colors of green here. Could even throw in some yellow or some white. However, I want to mix it up. And then I'm going to put these as if they're actually in one stem together. Some crazy gnatty fly flying around here. And again, with the liner brush that I'm using, it's actually a nail brush. If you feel like you want to make your vines a little bit thicker, just use the chisel edge of your paintbrush, because that works really well too. Sorry about that, drop the lid. Alright, then I'm going to go in here with my flat brush, and And this is a number 12. I will probably put some yellow in there. And then come in here and just do some long, one-strokey kind of petals, leaves. I can even put some white in here, yellow, however you want to mix it up. Just make it yours. It doesn't have to be a certain way. It just doesn't. I like to just do it as I go. Figure out the designs. And if you're new to my channel, I am a very big leaf person. So a lot of times I get really carried away with putting leaves in. I think I'm going to stop with that part, and then maybe just come in here, use up the rest of my yellow, pull in some of this lighter green here, mix it up a little bit, could even add in some white if I wanted, and just have fun with mixing colors too. Alright, and then what I'm going to do with this is just kind of do some lighter, I want to say that they're I don't want to say ghost, but a lot of times you can do just like some filler leaves. And then I'll come back in here with my liner brush and then add some stems. Then if you would like to add in some little dots, I could take my another liner, and this is a 25, and then just tap in some little, they're not really dots, can be slashes, dots, however you want to name them, doesn't matter. And just do it around this edge too, just sporadically. And you can, if you want to stop there with the dots, you can do that. You can actually even come down and maybe line some of the leaves as you're going about. Come out from your, or just leave that off. Makes it a little more whimsical. Up to you. Totally up to you. Alright. There you have it. Something that's quick, easy. You can put it on glass. You can put it, this is a ceramic tile. You can do it on wood, paper, whatever you want to do it on. It's up to you. And there you have it. Again, I hope you like this video. Short and sweet. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one. See you next time.